So let's just go through a schedule now. Let's look at it. I'm going to open it up in a different browser and say go to paulnico.as.me. That's my scheduling page, right? Oh, if I spelt it, there's no H in it. Nico. So here's my scheduling page. Here's my availability, 12 to 12:45 on Saturday. So it's also giving you 24 hours before they can book you. So they can't book you in the next so many hours. And again, it's down to you whether you set that up. So I'm not available Sunday, and you'll see I'm available at different times here, and it's blocked out some time. So it is available every 45 minutes. I'm not sure about that 10% blockage, right? But this is what we set up. Consultation one-on-one with Paul. Call me direct. So I'm going to book a time. So I'm going to go 9:45 on Monday. Paul. Let me call myself Stephen Nicholson, right? Phone number I'm going to do. I'm going to call me Steve at paulnicholson.com. Complete your appointment. So you are Tuesday, July at 9:45. You're going to be charged £30. You can add it to your calendar, and you are done. You can schedule another. You can register an account, so it'll remind you. Let me turn on my email now and see where we are. New appointment. So this is to your customer. So this is to Steve. This is what they're getting. Your appointment is scheduled for Stephen, consultation, one-on-one call. And that person can change the time and add it to their Outlook, add it to the Google, or change the time, right? If I click on that, it will open in the wrong one. Cancel or reschedule. So it's here. It'll just open this page up and you can cancel it or reschedule it. And you can go, no, I want it to go here instead. Reschedule it. So now it's rescheduled. So this is the email that originally came to me saying that that person's booked. This person's booked for that time. So now your appointment's rescheduled. So this is to me. This is to me, the owner, saying your appointment has been rescheduled. Somebody's changed the time. And an email to that person saying you've rescheduled your appointment, look, to Steve. Right? So in my calendar now, I'm going to see, when was it scheduled for? The 11th? Here it is, look. Here's my schedule. Here's the 15 minutes blocked off afterwards. The price to be paid is owed, so they need to pay it because I haven't set payments up. And I now can see information. And I'm going to talk about forms next. We could have asked the form to see what it's done. So you can see it's really easy for people to come to your scheduling page and book in, right? Really easy, really cool. Didn't take very much to set up, did it?